Okay, we're on day 5 at sea, headed to Bimini.
In the Bahamas.
In the Bahamas.
Yep. So we're going to take full advantage of our sea day.
First, let's start with coffee.
Yeah.
Need coffee.
Have our coffee. So we're going to have coffee by the pool this morning.
By the pool.
Yeah. And then
very often.
we're going to check out a spin class. We're going to check that out.
So this is supposed to be the spin class. And then, are we off to the spa yet?
No. We're going to go to the VHS workbook thing to see what that is.
Okay, that's going to be crazy.
Paul thinks of one thing, he gets one thing on his mind, that's what we're doing today, and everything else goes blank. We're going to have some lunch.
Yep.
And then, go ahead.
Then we'll go check out the spa.
Yeah, then we go check out the spa.
So this is from the galley. And I have the salami noodles.
I just had today's special, which is a panini. They have a panini, a hot spot, toasted panini. We've got a spa pass for the day. It was $69, which I don't think's bad. Apparently they have a mud room and a cold room and saunas and steam rooms and hot tubs and I don't even know what they
freeze
got.
baths and oh my gosh, so I'm supposed to have everything. We're going to check that out. We'll let you know what we find there.
Sauna done.
After the sauna.
Cold plunge now.
And this is before the cold.
You're going to stand longer than I think.
It's okay now. The cold. Oh yeah.
Good?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. I don't know if I can. Oh my god.
You get over it pretty fast.
I can't even get in a cold pool.
So do you just do So you're overthinking it.
Oh no, I'm thinking it. I'm over-colding it.
Okay, what's the timer?
I'm not sitting in here long. Not even with my feet.
This is only a 2 minutes.
And then into there.
And that's your room temperature.
If it feels super warm, maybe I'll just sit and get right up. If I just get that out and not get out. It's honestly the perfect thing.
It is.
I'm going right over there.
Yeah, you're gonna get in here and then you're jetting. I don't think you're gonna get in there.
Oh my god. Okay.
Impressive. Wow.
Oh my god, that's
Oh, I'm so impressed. All right, now this is the salt room.
Oh, you found me.
temperature? Okay, this is Lisa's speed.
Yeah, this is my speed.
The hot.
The hot one.
It's not real hot though.
No. It's a nice hot tub.
It's like the cold isn't real cold. Like the couple of it's all the way in.
Yeah, I know. I can try it again. I'll try it one more time.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
You would, you should. It's good for you. And this is the hot rock. Another one of Lisa's.
I like all the hot places, but
Not too hot.
not the
Can't
sauna.
get too hot. Warm. The warm places.
Okay, I'm gonna try the cool next.
Oh yeah? Oh, the cool, not cold.
And then
Okay. All right, we'll try that.
went to the spa all afternoon, which was really fabulous. Enjoyed it. Yeah.
It's relaxing.
Enjoyed that a
The
lot.
skin is so smooth.
Yeah. And it was a great deal because it was only $69 for like 3 hours. And honestly, after 2, we were there anyway. So there was plenty of time to be in the spa. And after that, then what?
Then we have, is it the shit show?
No.
Ship show.
It's the ship show. It's not a ship show.
Okay, we're going to the ship show.
He's pre- but I would like to, so yeah, he's okay.
To start a show on a cruise ship called Ship Show for a bunch of people cruising with us with a song called Cruising. There's nothing fucking tacky about that, right, Lee?
And then dinner.
And then dinner at?
Test kitchen.
Which-
I'm really excited about that. I'm just into testing and
He is. He's into different foods.
kind of my thing, so I'm thinking the test kitchen should be kind of my thing.
Yeah.
We've been hearing mixed reviews on it.
Yeah, we've been here, but in the thing it says it's fine dining. So last night, the Italian place, it says it was a trattoria, which implies that it's not fine dining, by the way.
Oh, I didn't know that. I learn something new every day.
And then,
I have the ability to learn something new because I don't know a lot.
and then tonight it says the test kitchen is fine dining. So I'm not sure how this is going to work, but anyway, it sounds like a lot of fun. And then we're going to check out some more. Check out some more music this evening. They have a guest entertainer on board, so we're gonna go check out that. So
All right. Should we
That's
have
our
fun
day
filled
at sea?
packed day at sea.
Yep.
Okay.
This is what this thing's good for.
Yeah, this is kind of like the Oh, then we watched the sunset. So we just saw a beautiful sunset.
Just got past the sunset. And that was that way. At the aft of the ship.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow?
We're in Bimini,
Bimini.
in the Bahamas. Yeah.
No, I've not been there.
No, I haven't been to Bimini either. And we are swimming
For sharks.
sharks. We are swimming with the sharks.
Oh, so join us when we swim with the sharks
Yeah.
tomorrow.
So
It's gonna
have
be
a
fun.
good night. We're gonna have some dinner and put a nightcap on it, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, all.
So we are sitting here. Can you show them on our lovely little bed here? Yep.
Right.
We got a nice little bed that we're gonna get to lay on, and straight up at the stars. So pretty.
And there's, well, there's the
So
sky.
let's lay down. Huh?
There's
That's
this,
the night sky. Yep. Right. There's the bed.
and we're laying in our bed,
Flip it.
and that's the sky.
Yep. There we go. So
There's
we're gonna
a
do stargazing.
Upper ship